updates on less expensive Eternity, new NFTs, and other topics from the Shiba Inu developer, one of the Shiba Inu ecosystem's best-known names. Recently, Satoshi Kusama addressed his audience. The Shibwa's new developer provides an update on Shiba Eternity, new NFTs, and much more in a post on the official blog. With the introduction of a player's guide for the game last week, Satoshi Kusama gave fans an inside look at Shiba Eternity. New NFTs were also disclosed, along with details on where investors might buy them. Today, we'll cover everything from the Shiba Inu developer's major updates to the breed's increasing price. Thus, keep watching because today's video is going to be a bomb. Please enjoy your daily dose of Shiba on Crypto Insider. This is the spot to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all the SHIB news forecasts and stay one step ahead in the cryptocurrency market. If you are interested in anything related to Shiba, let's return to the topic at hand now. Satoshi Kusama revealed a player's handbook for the game in a post he published last week, giving fans an inside look at SHIB Everlasting. New NFTs were also disclosed, along with details on where investors might buy them. A card-based mobile game called Shiba Eternity that is based on the well-known meme coin is presently available for download. Kusama began his update by mentioning that more than 250,000 people had downloaded the game. The message mentioned how much effort the development team puts into giving players a top-notch experience. On the other hand, Kusama made a suggestion for a future live tournament for the game that would be included later. In addition, the article presented the game's first player's manual for mobile devices. The guide, according to Kusama, is a dynamic resource that will evolve along with the game. A collection of laws that further contextualize the gaming experience is included with the handbook. The Shiba Inu developer update by Kusama allowed the announcement of a brand new NFT for posting in addition to the guide and information on Shiba Eternity, signifying Kusama's ambition to plan fresh photographs that vividly depict Shiba's singular path. As a result, AI technology has created it, which is then made public with a link to buy it. Was asked why he used AI? AI, according to Kusama, has a role to play in the Shiba ecosystem, so it's critical that I understand both its potential and its constraints. The post promised more community updates in the future as it came to a close. Another major piece of news is now emerging. Let's see then. As a result of Lana's 55% market cap loss to Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency markets are in a tailspin this week as a result of FTX's fears about its financial stability. Ben & Company. CZ declared that the company will sell its FTT assets and offered assistance in purchasing FTX. CZ withdrew from the takeover, claiming that we were powerless to stop the problems or offer assistance. Alameda owns approximately $1.2 billion in Solana and does research on becoming insolvent as well. Alameda might sell its SALT holdings to boost solvency, which is a possibility. Solana fell by 55%. Due to the debacle, in 3 days it dropped from the 10th to the 15th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market valuation. In terms of market capitalization, SOL is currently below Shiba Inu. So, Land is purposefully bleeding in the indexes and reached $14 from $38 in under 4 days. The co-founder of BitMEX, Arthur Hayes, made a startling and audacious prediction, saying that SALT may drop to $3, while Solana's market worth currently stands at $5.1 billion. The market cap for Shiba Inus is still $5.34 billion. The market cap of Shiba Inu has already surpassed those of Solana and Tron, with TRX dropping to the 16th spot at $5.1 billion. The quick onset of the FTX crisis, which rocked the cryptocurrency markets, was an unusual turn of events. Shiba Inu came in last place, while Solana is crying its eyes out. On Wednesday, Shiba Inu's indices fell by double digits while adding an extra zero. Last week, SHIB traded with 4 zeros. This week, it trades with 5 zeros. If the downturn persists, however, SHIB will quickly lose its hold on its market cap value. The cryptocurrency markets have been surprising investors for a while now, and reality will soon catch up with them. The notion was offered by a Twitter user, who remarked candidly that CZ would probably call the facility the Shiba Inu Arena. That tweet appears to be innocent enough. Nevertheless, the creator of Dogecoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, had none of it. In response to the statement, the creator of Dogecoin wrote that would suck so hard. Even though Satoshi had already suggested that the arena be given a Dogecoin-related name, it's still interesting that the founder of a cryptocurrency project would say something of this nature about another cryptocurrency topic. However, this isn't the first time Satoshi has disparaged the Shiba Inus. He slammed Shiba Inu earlier this year for its metaverse, saying that the development team was only interested in making money. He also claimed that the development team was already extremely wealthy as a result of the launch of SHIB and that the metaverse would further increase their fortune, making them the founders of a coin that has been relatively dormant for millions of dollars. Satoshi has plenty of time to poop on Shiba Inu, which is understandable. Ben and Kuz boasted about yesterday's SHIB poll on Twitter. Whether Satoshi likes SHIB or not, it appears that someone at the BIN's US office has noticed the token. The question at hand is whether this poll indicates that BINs will be giving the arena a new name that has something to do with Shiba Inus. Yet, it is a fascinating idea that might have some merit. What do you think? Before you respond to that in the comment box below, I thought you'd be curious to see the poll's findings. Satoshi Nakamoto was a candidate when it came to the topic of who originated the Shiba Inu. But Aaron Vitalik, which of Rio and Charles Hoskinson do you believe received the most votes? You would be correct if you said Ryoshi. The most votes were cast in favor of Ryoshi. Yet, despite what you might have believed, only 52.2% of the 431 votes cast were for Ryoshi. 19.5% of voters think Aaron is responsible for the Shiba Inu. 18.8% of respondents think it's Shito Nakamoto. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, received 9.3% of the votes, too. It is very evident that even though almost everyone is aware that Ryoshi founded Shiba Inu, many people are still attempting to identify Ryoshi, and Butor just so happens to be a very well-liked guest. There has been a significant sell-off at SHIB Whales, so something appears to be happening. The value of the shares held by the top 500 whales was over $100 million just a few weeks ago. SHIB is still the most held token by these wallets, despite a massive dump of the token, as evidenced by its current value of just over $80 million. But the fact that a dump has occurred cannot be denied. And for holders, it may be extremely frightening. Yet, it doesn't have to be so frightful. This large sell-off may really be a positive thing for SHIB since it appears that big profits are on the horizon. SHIB has experienced a high rate of acceptance as a result of businesses like Now Payments, Shivala, and BitPay accepting the token as a form of payment. And even though there have been some sell-offs, this, among other things, doesn't take away from the reality that there were many whale adoptions prior to that. SHIB, especially analyst altcoin, may be headed for a bullish run, according to some. I'm still in this trade, but I already cut 1/3 off yesterday. Sherpa previously remarked about SHIB. Personally, I'm going to hold it a little bit longer because I believe it might have an additional ledge. The justification is that it appears to have been building up for some time. It is better for whales to withdraw their tokens before the run than after, when the profits begin to pile up, because these typically grow higher than you anticipate with a bullish run definitely on the horizon. This is due to the possibility that all of the advantages could be swiftly undone if they engage in a large sell-off after the profits become apparent. Hence, with them leaving now, we know that any benefits will likely last for as long as feasible. Or what do you think? Although more people used to hold SHIB for the short, or even the midterm, the number of long-term holders has already surpassed the other two. Nonetheless, the number of SHIB holders has only continued to rise. In actuality, after Shiba Inu debuted, almost all of its investors were both short-term and long-term. Yet, the current level of long-term holders for the token is the highest ever noted. According to Entified Blocks, you write today, 50% of SHIB holders have held on to their tokens for more than a year, according to the holder composition over time. 47% of token holders kept their tokens for less than a year, while 3% kept them for less than a month. The $2 trillion market size currently in place is demonstrating the resilience of the majority of Shiba Inu owners. If SHIB doesn't break through its resistance level, that is. Up until 2023, it will expand gradually. At this point, I should clarify that this is not financial advice. Do your own study before making any decisions, and whatever choice you make after conducting your research, keep in mind that you can put it into action. Consider checking out all those transactions on FairDesk, the cryptocurrency exchange platform, which offers a selection of cryptocurrencies that you may buy, sell, and swap and offers a 4% bonus on your first transaction. In other news, Now Payments has declared that it now accepts BONE as a form of payment. As a result, just as SHIB, businesses all over the world may now accept payments in BONE, and holders can use the Shiba Inu governance token to make payments and donations. Alright, bye for now. Also, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise conducting an extensive, all-encompassing study on the subject before making any purchases. We trust you enjoyed the video. If you are a shareholder, please let us know in the comments below. Also, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'll see you again at Crypto Insider. Bye.